Hello, today I am going to show you how to add a social media plugin into your WordPress footer. So you need to go to your WordPress website and then go to dashboard, and then you need to go to appearance and go to customize. Now if you are using Astra theme, you can go to footer builder, and then you can add a social media icon anywhere in footer section. So to add a social media icon, you need to add a widget, and I am going to add a social media widget here. Now you see as social media icon are added, and you can go and edit and add your Facebook, Twitter and Instagram URL from here. And you can go here and add your URL, and similar for Twitter, you can add a Twitter URL here, and you are good to go. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.